Hello, everybody. So, my name is Lakaya, and essentially, what I'm going to be unpacking is my reflections of my own healing and what that means, as far as what does healing journey even mean? Like, what does it mean to me, and what it might mean to you? And the simple fact of, first of all, when someone says that they're going on a healing journey, what the heck are they even healing, you know? Like, what are those steps? How do you even know? I feel like when you become, when you start questioning why, like, why am I feeling this way? Or why are people treating me this way? Or why am I treating them this way? And why is it that, I don't know, it's just like a deep unhappiness, but you don't know it until you're facing, like you're looking at it. And it's certain events in your life that are going to tell you, like, like it told me that I was just unhappy. Definitely started in childhood, where most things start. Um, I just remembered, like, being so grown up, but also literally not, when facing certain situations that, you know, children shouldn't really be facing. Like, when children are, molested, and what comes with that, when you're not feeling heard or seen, and what comes with that. And my experiences from childhood until now, it's just a combination of reflective healing series. And to know that other people have the same experience, and it's humbling to know, like, I can share this journey of this healing journey and what it meant to me, and maybe it can help some other people to be like, you know what, you're really not alone when it comes to feeling unseen, unheard, or, feeling like anything that is, I don't know, like, just in the raw, just feeling the raw emotions of what it means to be human, and what it means to go through trauma, and what it means to understand that these things are not normal. And that's okay, you know, that you and I have gone through some stuff, and that we are here now to be like, there's stories that needs to be told, and there's healing that needs to be done. And we are just here to give a voice to the voiceless, to say, people, places, and things is what cause trauma, but also the fact of taking accountability. And I feel like that's one of the things. Like, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm like a literal perfect angel. No, because that's unrealistic. Like, I understand my part in things that has happened in my life, and I'm here to be like, yeah, like, like, I am fully aware, and also I'm fully aware of what others do to me. So there is a balance here. So I'm just saying, welcome to the journey. And I'm excited because it takes a lot to be open and raw. It takes a lot to be like, whoa. And to connect with other people who's also been through this. And it's going to be really nice to be like, listen, like, we are together. There's no separation. There's no, teams as far as like who wins and who, everyone's a winner. Because when you're able to voice what you've been through and you're able to kind of like get perspective, everyone wins. Everyone heals and everyone is on the path to success. So just stay tuned and stay healthy and drink some water. I know I need to, but yeah. I'm drinking Kool-Aid water, so technically it's water, right?